and they're off. Johnny Dollar, Delay of Game, and Affirmed Success. It's Johnny Dollar to be the early leader. Delay of Game second on the outside. Affirmed Success, and Chavez keeping after him right from the beginning. Forbidden Apple comes on through now, and Forbidden Apple is now right up there with the leaders. 4 across the track, and Affirmed Success now moving decisively to grab the lead. Affirmed Success in front, Forbidden Apple second. Johnny Dollar on the inside third. Delay of Game is fourth. Leave Us Leap is fifth. Hap is steadied in traffic. Hap had to check right there in the thick of it. Followed by Samyn, Gone Fishing, who's 5 wide down the backstretch. 1-1-1 is the last of them all. A 23-3 first quarter. Affirmed Success, the leader as they race into the far turn. Forbidden Apple keeps the pressure up second. Delay of Game third. Johnny Dollar just in behind the lead. He's now running in fourth. Sam continues a wide journey fifth. Leave Us Leap is sixth. Hap is still right there in the midst of traffic. He's running seventh, about 5 lengths from the lead. Then 1-1-1 and Gone Fishing. Affirmed Success is 1.5 and 46-4. Forbidden Apple is still right with him. Delay of Game is there on the far outside. He's running in third. Johnny Dollar is fourth. Hap has running room now, and he's got it to the outside. As the field comes off the turn, it is Affirmed Success, and he's under heavy pressure to hold the lead. Affirmed Success still holding on by a half a length. Forbidden Apple right there with him. Then Johnny Dollar running third. 1-1-1 putting in a late run toward the inside, and Hap is fifth. 100 yards to go. Forbidden Apple, Affirmed Success. Nip and tuck down to the line. Johnny Dollar joins them. Here's the wire. Forbidden Apple. Forbidden Apple has won it narrowly.